Ako po si Felix Morauda, DTF operator ng machine ng Honjet dito sa Robinsons na Maliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 70 meters kaming nairan as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Capping, 50% good working naman po. Heat clean tayo. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Facing tank na linis ng Friday. Ito po ang use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po yung nagamit sa white ink. Powder. Black. Yellow. Magenta. Cyan. 30cm film. Cleaning solution. Inventory. Ito naman po yung maintenance checklist. Weekly consumable. Daily workload. Maraming salamat po.